Hi all, welcome to the Summer Academy for Social Work. In this brief session, we're going to go over a few titles in your book bag that can really help you ignite your business in social work. First up is WACR, Community Resources for Older Adults. It is intended for courses on community services and programs for the elderly. These courses are typically found in gerontology departments and departments of social work. What makes this text unique is that the authors stress the importance of theoretical knowledge that they believe will help in the understanding of social and psychological dynamics of help-seeking behavior. By understanding the social and psychological needs of the elderly and their families, as well as the services available to them, students will be better able to take advantage of resources and help their clients. This is really one of the only books for the market. When someone asks what you have for programs or resources for older adults, this is the book. This course is likely only taught once a year, so if you don't see it on the fall schedule, ask who commonly teaches it. Next up is OMER. Measures for Community and Neighborhood Research is publishing in August 2018 and is a reference guide that compiles, organizes, and evaluates key measures for community research. For this title, look for courses on community organization or planning, or an upper-level research methods or action research within social work. This book is like a handbook, so there is interest beyond the classroom, and it's a resource that people will often keep. There's really no competition to this book from the other players in social work, so if you see this course, sample it. This course is not often taught, so it might be a good idea to ask the department who generally teaches the course. Gasker's Generalist Social Work Practice is publishing in November 2018. This text provides students with the foundational skills and knowledge needed to serve clients across all areas of practice. This text includes case studies, collaborative learning exercises, vignettes, and critical thinking questions to help students apply concepts to practice. This title is applicable to both the BSW and MSW levels. Generalist practice at the BSW level is one of the last courses a student would take. Generalist social work practitioners work with individuals, families, groups, organizations, communities, and social policies in pursuit of social and economic justice. The content and concepts in this book are applied through case studies and self-reflection exercises. Larkin's Field Guide for Social Workers is a pickup from Cengage and has a loyal user base. The author is extremely well connected among social work field directors, and we already have adoptions in place for fall from BPD and the Authors Network. Unlike other texts for this course, the Larkin book has assignable options in the form of self-reflection questions and integrated activities throughout the book. This is one of the aspects that has made this book so popular because it fills a need that we often hear when calling on this course. Look for fieldwork or ask who should see this title. With its track record, many instructors will be familiar with it. And these are your marching orders. Be on the lookout for these courses as you visit your social work departments and do campus planning. Remember that a lot of these titles don't have competition. Also, some of them are not offered at each term, so if you don't see them listed in the schedule, reach out to the department and ask who generally teaches it so you can make sure to get them a copy. Lighting the fire early can pay off. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your social work team. Their contact information is listed below.